Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add members to your group on Splitwise, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, click on the groups button down below, which is the second option. Select your group that you have created and to which you would like to add new members. Click on add members in the middle of the screen. Tap on add a new contact to Splitwise at the top. Type in their name. Then type in their phone number or email address. Then click on add at the top of the screen. And as you can see, the member has been added to your group. Feel free to add as many new members or contact as you want to. And when you are done, click on the button next in the upper right corner of the screen and click on finish. As you can see, your new group members have been added to your group, so you can send a text message to them to let them know that they have been added to this Splitwise group. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.